Hey, good afternoon. It's Rick Vega with the Rick Vega Mortgage Team powered by Hoot Home Loans. And it is Wednesday, August 26th, and time for your mortgage market update. And we're going to do things a little different today. Usually I talk about what the nationwide average is on an interest rate, and we're still going to talk about the nationwide average, but I'm going to break it down by 3, maybe 4 different sites to kind of show you the difference in those sites and where the interest rates lie. Overall, the national average interest rate for the mortgage interest rate is sitting anywhere from about 6.35%. Yeah, 6.35% to about 6.5%, like we've been talking about for the last, goodness gracious, week to 10 days, right? So here's what we're looking at from a few different sites when it comes to mortgage interest rates, right? So bankrate.com is looking at the national average at around actually 6.6%, just a tad a bit above the 6.5% range. And again, this is on the 30-year fixed rate and a compilation of all different metrics, credit scores, loan programs, lenders, everything else, all combined, what we're looking at on a national rate, conventional rate, okay? NerdWallet, and they're getting their information from Zillow, is looking at 6.37%. Yes, 6.37%, which is a substantial decline from what we've seen just 10 days ago. And then Finger Lakes. Finger Lakes One is a source for interest rates. So they have theirs is 6.35%, which is considerably lower, like I said, than we have seen in the last even 10 days. So literally, in the last month, we've seen interest rates drop nearly a half a point. That is good information, folks. That is good news, and I'm happy to report that, hey, we're seeing a continual decrease in our interest rates, and that can only lead to good things. Don't you think? I think it can only lead to good things. Now, in the housing market, home sales are finally starting to creep up. We had about 4 million homes sold last month, which is a good thing. More houses are hitting the market, so buyers are having a little bit more choice. That's always good. Home prices aren't shooting up like before. That's good. They're either stabilizing or coming down in a lot of markets. The average home price, and I've reported this before, is about $422,000. Some cities like New York and Chicago, prices are still rising, unfortunately. But in other markets, like here down in Florida, Tampa, and Miami, and out west Phoenix, we're seeing prices continue to decline there. In fact, I reported yesterday Tampa was down 6.2%, their home prices there. So that's good for that area, right? Affordability-wise, the average American spends over 40% on their housing, which is expensive. That's too much. It actually should be around 28%, according to the housing industry. Most areas are still unaffordable according to usual standards, but home prices are coming down, interest rates are coming down. We're looking at a good situation for the home housing market. I think good things are around the corner. And like I reported yesterday, Warren Buffett sunk $1 billion of Berkshire Hathaway's money into 2 housing giants, Lennar and D.R. Horton. That's telling me that, hey, he's bullish on the housing market. He's bullish on the industry. That can only mean one good thing, that things are going to be looking up. Things are going to be looking up. So bottom line, buyers have more power. Rates are coming down. Prices are coming down. Things are looking positive. I'm excited. If you're excited and you're looking to buy a home, hey, I'm the guy you want to talk to, all right? I'm a mortgage broker. I've been in this business for many, many years. I work with dozens and dozens and dozens of lenders around the country, so I can tailor a loan specific to your needs, specific to your situation. No cookie cutter deals here, folks. I'm going to work with you and get you the best rate and terms you can get. I can assure you that. So if you wanted to work with me, if you got some questions, all you got to do is follow me. I give great content every day. Besides this mortgage market update, I do a lot of posts each and every day, educating you on what's going on here in the housing market and the mortgage industry, answering questions about what you need to do to qualify, what you need to do on your credit, if you need to build your credit, all different kinds of stuff. So follow me, shoot me a DM if you want to find out what your interest rate might be, what you could qualify for, what things look like in your market. And you know what? I will be happy to get back to you and help you. Or you can leave a comment here or hit that get quote button. You can get a little form that'll pop up, fill that form out, and I promise you we can connect offline and we'll do a deep dive into your market, or we'll figure out exactly what you can qualify for, even get you pre-approved if you want to buy a house. Isn't that great? I can do all that stuff for you. All right. Anyway, I've gone on a long time today. Go out, make it a great rest of your hump day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Oh, and one other thing. I do a live show every weekday morning at 9 a.m. It's called the Rick Vega Mortgage Show. I talk about all things housing, all things mortgage, all things interest rates, getting qualified, all different kinds of good stuff. And we do a few other fun things that are kind of fun. I do a top 10 list and some other stuff. So anyway, if you can, join me 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, weekday mornings for the Rick Vega Mortgage Show. And you can learn a lot of stuff there as well. Until then, hey, go out and make it a great day, and we will talk tomorrow. All right? Thanks, folks. We'll see you. Bye-bye.